Welcome, and we have the card of the day, LeatherTeck by Upholstery technology. Let's dive in. Okay, now I'm gonna demonstrate the removal of the front seats for the purpose of the leather kit. The way we do this is we wanna put the seat all the way up, then we're gonna move the lean back slightly backwards, and that's to release the headrest. So you're gonna have two tabs. You just press them down, and that's how you release the headrest. Now you're gonna put the lean back on about 100-degree angle from the base, like that, more or less. Now we're gonna have 4 bolts, 13 millimeters. So the tools that you're gonna need is your 13 millimeter socket, your pry bar plastic for the moldings, for the little covers in the bolts, and the clip remover, this little tool right here. So we're gonna get the seat slightly down so we can access the tabs. And now here with the tabs, the way to do it, guys, is we're gonna pry here with our finger so we can lift them up and it releases the cover. It's the same process for the 4 covers. Let me show you the other one right here. Same process, and it comes off. So now that we have those off, we can go and remove it with our 13 millimeter. Now to access the back, we're gonna move our seat forward again. All the way forward. Gonna lift them up. At these points, guys, it's very good to do the lumbar support. So you want to deflate your lumbar support so you don't get pressure in that section right there. When you install the kit, that will be more easy than if you have the bubble in this area. Now let's take a look at the rear. And it's the same process. So you're gonna go with the bar, you're gonna push here and release it. Just like that. Just like that. We take off the 13 millimeter bolts, and now we're gonna go to the front so we can do the final step. We're gonna put our track just slightly forward, so the seat is going back, because now we're gonna disconnect the main plug. So you wanna have it, guys, more or less in that angle. And now you can lift them up like this, and this is what you're gonna have underneath. So you're gonna have this cable here, so you're gonna use this tool to release it. And then for your plug right here, guys, you can pry underneath this gray section right here, so it releases the locking mechanism, and then you can pull the plug out just like that, and now you can get the seat off the vehicle. So it was that simple. That was your removal for the front seat on the 2022 Ford F-150. If you find the video useful, like and subscribe, and visit LeatherTeck.com so you can see all the kits available for this particular vehicle, and we have it for virtually any car in any color, many styles available, guys.